Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and details about Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Slated to be introduced in January next year, this phone is already generating a lot of buzz. Let's explore its stunning design and exciting features. Hands-on video leak. Recently, a video leaked on Reddit gives us an early hands-on look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone features curved corners and a midframe that slopes towards the back, offering better ergonomics and comfort than previous Galaxy S Ultra models. Trusted tips from Ice Universe confirmed that this is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design and display. The S25 Ultra sports flat metal sides, tiny uniform bezels, and a sleek design. The phone will come with a stunning 6.86 QHD flat 120Hz AMOLED display and a titanium alloy frame. The power and volume keys are on the right, while the rear boasts 4 cameras, including a periscope-style lens for super telephoto shots. Camera upgrades. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 200MP primary rear camera, a new 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. It will also have a 12MP selfie camera. These camera upgrades promise incredible photo and video quality. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with a 5000 mAh battery. It will run on One UI 7 based on Android 15, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The phone will also support 45W superfast charging technology. Satellite communication and connectivity. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is its satellite communication capability, allowing you to connect with rescue authorities even without network connectivity. This feature can be a lifesaver in emergencies. The S25 Ultra has also obtained 3C certification, highlighting its advanced communication technologies. Color options. According to Ross Young, the S25 Ultra will be available in exclusive finishes, including titanium blue, black, jade green, titanium pink, and silver. A bright orange color was also displayed in concept renders. Display technology. While the S25 Ultra might not feature Samsung's latest M14 OLED panel, it will still deliver an exceptional display experience with the M13 panel, offering 20 to 30% greater efficiency, longer lifespan, and better power economy. Storage and RAM. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to adopt UFS 4.1 flash storage, enhancing AI capabilities and energy efficiency. Rumors suggest it could come with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options of 512 GB and 1 TB. Should you buy it? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra worth the upgrade? While it offers significant improvements in camera and performance, it may not be a major change from the S24 Ultra. If you don't already own the S24 Ultra, this new model could be an attractive purchase. Otherwise, you might want to wait for next year's model.